Have you ever noticed when you visit a website, it suddenly seems to be following you everywhere, from Google to Facebook, from news websites to YouTube, like crazy lover. No matter where you are, they stalk you everywhere. It's not a coincidence, it's retargeting. They are there for reminding you what you are looking at and trying to convince you to buy their product or services. So, how does retargeting actually work and why should you invest in it? Hi everyone, I'm Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I'm going to talk about what is retargeting and how retargeting works, and also discuss some valid reasons why you should invest in retargeting right away. Retargeting, also known as remarketing, is a form of online advertising that can help you keep your brand in front of bounce traffic after they leave your website. Do you know only 2% of the website traffic converts on the first visit to most websites? So what about the remaining 98%? You only have two options. First is to leave them alone and hope they remember your brand. Second, you can reach out to them by showing your ads on the website they visit or on their Facebook and other social media profiles. I'm damn sure you are going to choose the second option. Let's understand this with an example first. Let's say 3 customers visited your website. The first one just came and bounced back. They left your website. Second one who came, searched for a particular product and then bounce back. Let's say he searched for shoes online, right, on your website. The third one who came, searched for a black shoe, added it to their cart and then bounced back. So how would you attract all these 3 customers to your website again and increase your revenue? You can show your website ads to the first type of customer who just came and bounced back. You can show them your logo ad or maybe some different type of products from your website. You can run product ads for the second type of customer who brought back after searching for a particular product. The product ad which you need to show is all different types of shoes, because now you know that they were interested in making a purchase for a shoe. And also you can run discount ads for the third one who came and added black shoe on their cart and bounced. So possible reason can be they were looking for better rates or something. So you can show them ads like 10% off on black shoes for a limited period of time. It is all retargeting. So let me tell you how you can do it on your website. You can place a small piece of tracking code, that is a pixel, on your website either manually or using retargeting tools like Rocket Link, because they make adding and monitoring pixels much easier. So now pixels can be collected from either the Google ads or the Facebook ads, because you want to run your ads on Google or its network or Facebook. Every time a new visitor comes to your site, they download a browser cookie along the pixel. The cookie lets your retargeting provider, which is Facebook or Google in this case, know when and where to show ads, so the relevant ads are visible only to people who have visited your website. Retargeting is highly effective because it shows your ads to people who have already shown interest in your product or services and might need a little push in the right direction. If used properly, retargeting can reduce cart abandonment by 6.5% and increase website traffic by 700%. You need to be careful not to go overboard with the ads. If the website browser see your ad on every website they visit, they might get annoyed and may make a mental note that you are a stalker rather than a seller. So start by retargeting specific URL visits. This is one of the most accurate retargeting efforts you can use to convert customers. Next, try retargeting on existing customers. For example, if someone hasn't converted in the past 6 months, send them a few ads to drive more sales. Finally, conduct lead generation ads that correspond with engagement on your site. This can help you in attracting people who are already involved and are more likely to respond to the ads. Just remember, retargeting efforts need to be specific and hyper focused if you want to drive conversions. Now, we have a good knowledge about what retargeting marketing is, so let's talk about how it can benefit you. Number one, retargeting offers high conversion rate. The objective of online advertising is to spark interactions with users, like to submit a form, download, or make an online purchase. Retargeting can give you higher conversion by displaying ad banners even if they are not on your site. It makes exposure 10 times higher than others. It can help you in establishing the trust of your customers and boost your sales. Number two, retargeting helps you reach the right audience. One of the most critical elements of marketing is reaching the right audience. If your audience is not receptive to what you are selling, then your marketing efforts are wasted. There is no more relevant audience to your business than the one consisting of people who are already interested in your products and services. For this reason, retargeting is an incredible strategy for reaching the ideal group of people. Number three, retargeting helps to lower online advertising and cost per action cost. Retargeting ads are extremely cost-effective methods for reaching out to qualified prospects. Similarly to pay-per-click advertising, retargeting ads only cost you if a user clicks on your ad. Number four, retargeting has excellent timing. One of the best retargeting benefits is that it has perfect timing. With other forms of marketing, particularly those that include targeting ads to a particular group, it is hard to know if the people you are reaching need your product or services at the moment or not. With retargeting, however, that's not the case. You are targeting the entire audience because of a recent search or a visit to your website, which means you know the interest in your business is active. Since you are advertising to your target audience at the perfect time, that is when they are most interested in your products, you can achieve better results than with other forms of marketing. Number five, retargeting reduces cart abandonment. Another one of the best retargeting benefits is it reduces cart abandonment. Cart abandonment is when users add items to their cart but get distracted or leave without purchasing those items. It is a common reason for lower conversion rates for online businesses. When you send an abandoned cart email, you encourage people to finish their purchase, and many of them do. As a result, you recover more sales for your business. These benefits make remarketing advertisement programs a worthwhile component for your marketing program. Are you ready to start getting your retargeting off the ground? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.